kamwe no korwase county ya Kisii awastwara na omobunke onyari bari masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku nigabaka wesotia sentunde ntangani na korwe nkwana ya yakubwatkana no korobekana ukogenderete kwenekiwa emergency ya Kenya asekorengananera muganiro murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kobuna ebunge elio abananchi babe bakora obochori bogia kubachora abachumba baya asekeria korengananera terebuna abachumbe barabisi bono nigo basinyure goikirania ali ababete bakochorerwa n'abananchi muri ketonde mo Stephen nigatwarganire teorboti rwa senchera yo goikirana
amatukabwango ige wiki ye nigabere okorobekana konene imeo mocho Nairobi ne chinsemo au imense ya Kenya gati yabo Kisii magega yo murayibwense korwire yo gututera romo swada bwenibo bo mwaka oyo omojumbo nyaribari masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku noyo bwango iga gusanga igoro yebikoro byabeire imense ya Kenya
amadita ngoro ku Daniel Manduku omojumbe onyaribari masaba tangani ombwato mojano monene na gutuma magombane asa abana bari basirete wetira amandamano ayakora tuma mono ensema ya Nairobi tukuri rero nacha ko TV president ya serikali abune parliament tuenzi tuirane asa abananchi asobo choyo boya ikiagara mne nyumba ya parliament twasinyuru kwa kolega cito aba bunge usaba jumbe baracho riri oyo tugarite matuka aye guchibesia yagendeka elindi to jake serikali engia
nonyense ya Kenya tebwati abateneri bobochori bekyombegia IEBC Manduku nigagusanga buna ababwatani ba Kenya bechinse cheisiko na bakwariganirwa batenero bobochori imense ya Kenya inse yemetie nyetatu.
I know people will argue that there is no IEBC, but remember we are party to many international treaties. We can ask the AU, that is African Union, the East African Community, or the UN to send 9 commissioners to oversee the elections. The first point will be to update the voter register within 30 days and thereafter conduct fresh elections. Members of Parliament who served barely 2 years can be compensated on their remaining term.
Chinga kiechecho nigo Dr. Daniel Manduku anyereko bakagoichanira okungusana na serikali ya Kenya kwanza asekeria gotebo muraibwense William Samuel Ruto amono mokonyo yeri Rigathi Gachagua mbali gusanga birengererie bimo asebono kuboli kwa ina so muraibwense kwena kibunense moya yaba waziri onyareko bakonyirigireria buya.
It is not tenable that we can go back to that house which has been desecrated. And remember, Article 1 of our Constitution talks about the power belonging to the people, and that we as elected members only exercise it on their behalf. What we saw on Tuesday is that the public came to take back their power, and it is time we called a spade a spade. I want to ask Kenyans not to allow their members of parliament to go back to parliament, even myself included. Yesterday, I saw the president reading a statement and his deputy reading a statement a few minutes later. 2 statements that seemed to come from different hands of government. It is my considered view that the government has failed in its duties to protect Kenyans. Further than that, we're asking the president to immediately reconstitute his cabinet and get competent people, and I say competent people, to work for him.
Engana ya Dr. Manduku nenganira rente birengerie binge gusango igoro yenkwane yo nonyaba Kenya bagendrete kubwate kikirabe ase serikali tereneire na William Ruto asama tukale bosio
mu masango anjira bachole bene bayira ne bunge tiga abantu bonsi bagende kabachorulwa
kolipoteria Ndizi TV eretariane Ndemo Stephen.